Oh my goodness gracious. Do you remember a few months ago when I said that when I have this whole Sunday Basket Workshop thing figured out, you will see a podcast that will let you know that the Sunday Basket Workshop has been figured out and this is what you can expect going forward? Well, today is the day. So the idea of the Sunday Basket, as you probably well know, all started about 15 years ago when I had two little babies and I was trying to figure out how to stay on top of my regular to-dos, paperwork, bills, and everything that seemed to land on the kitchen counter. Eventually, I turned it into a book and a whole bunch of podcasts and posts, and then we started doing the Sunday Basket workshops virtually this spring. The Sunday Basket is such a simple concept, yet it can be so revolutionary on how you run your house, don't miss your to-dos, and have a place to dump all of those ideas that you have. And I just said that I'm going to have these paper organizing workshops at my house in the summer. It was like 6 weeks in a row, and you could sign up for one or all of them or however many you wanted. And there was a fee every time you came, and you would get a table to work on, kind of like I did with Creative Memories. You get a table to work on. You brought your paper. I had some paper bags there for you, one for shredding, one for recycling. You took your shredding bag with you, and you took your paper home. And my workshops were full. Like I could only fit 8 people in my house at that time, and I would have 8 people at each workshop, and they were all working on their own paper organizing. Then I did these virtual organizing or these virtual Sunday Basket workshops with you guys in February and March. And the light bulb went off. I was like, oh, this is it. This is it. So the paper organizing workshop that I just explained to you has a lot of moving parts, right? Like that's not very systematizable across the country. How would you know that there's no script for that. There's no like products you have for that, but there is for the Sunday Basket. So I started talking to the professional organization group I have, and I said, all right, I'm going to do this Sunday Basket licensing system where you can do these Sunday Basket workshops that I'm doing virtually online, but you can do them in your city. You could do them at your house. You could do them at a community center. You can go into other people's houses and you can do them, wherever you can find a space. What I love about the in-person workshops is the community and the camaraderie and the actual leaving your house and going somewhere else and being around other people who are doing the same thing you are in your city that are getting organized too. So the new Sunday Basket licensed providers are going to be able to do that in your city. And we currently have 11. And at the end of the podcast, I'll tell you where all of the 11 are. All right, so each Sunday Basket workshop licensee will offer their own range of monthly paper workshops and supporting Organized 365 products going forward. They'll have their own expertise. The year that I tackled my paper, it took me all summer to get my paper organized, and I was really, really laser focused on it. With your help, together, we will help everyone get their papers organized. You know me, I have really big goals. Everybody's got to get their papers organized, and we're going to have fun doing it in workshops and in businesses, and we're going to turn something that used to be something that you dreaded into something that you cannot wait to do.